Someone's at my door. I wonder who could that be? Oh, we got a package. Wait. Oh, shit. iPhone. Alright guys, welcome back. To our next video. So today, got a package. And guess what it is? Drum roll, please. iPhone 13. So, I got it in the mail yesterday, but I'm doing the unboxing today because I was out yesterday, right? So let's see what we got in the box. Nothing interesting here. Just a bunch of Verizon stuff. So my carrier is Verizon, so alright. So this is the box. Nothing much. It's like maybe like 20% smaller than what it was before. The iPhone 12. So I think iPhone 11. That's when they started making the box smaller, but they took away the iPhone charger, right? You only get the wire now. You don't get a brick anymore in the box. So you gotta find your own brick. All right, so the iPhone comes in 4 colors. And then Sierra blue, silver, gold, and graphite. Graphite is the black one. And this one right here is a Sierra blue. Every year when iPhone brings out a new phone, they always give you that one color that they use to try to sell to people. So it's like the main color, the flagship color of for the iPhone for that year. And this year is Sierra blue. So it's a little bit lighter than the iPhone 12 blue. So it's more like a sky blue. So let's open this right here. Oh, this right here is also the 256 gigabyte, right? iPhone Pro Max, 256 gigabyte. I have the iPhone 12 256 right now, so I'm just sticking with that storage size right now. And that's what I'm using to record my footage right now, is the iPhone 12. But I'll try and see if I can put the two phones together and show you the difference in comparison, like color-wise and camera-wise and everything like that. All right. So when I open the box, oh, it's another time. Wow, I'm about to break the phone already, and I just got it. It's crazy. All right, so you get a wire. You still get the iPhone wire, and empty box, and just a little cutout for the camera. Get some tools, SIM card tool to open your SIM card holder, and you get signature Apple sticker. Always get that. They'll never take that away, even though they took away the brick, but they still give me the stickers. All right. There's nothing else in here. That's just it. Let's close this back. Give you a little spin around. Give you guys a little spin around of it. Hopefully it's showing the true color. I'm filming in 4K, so I can show a lot more details. Alright. Alright, this is so shiny, man. I'm already getting fingerprints on it already. But this is a nice color though. Very nice color. So storage wise, you have the 256 gig, 128 gig, 512, and 1 terabyte. The 128 gig is $1,100, and it goes $100 up each time for each storage. So the design of the phone, right? It's the same as last year. No big difference. Only thing, the camera is protruded a little bit more over the iPhone 12, and The buttons layout is similar as well, just that these are a little bit lower than what's on the iPhone 12. The volume rocker and the on and off switch for the mute. You got the speakers at the bottom, iPhone charger port, and then you got the speakers up here again. This thing is blocking it right now, but I'll show you in a minute. Just open it, take this off quick. So the display is the same display. Is 6.7 inches and is 458 ppi, and also have ProMotion. ProMotion that goes up to 120 hertz. So that's how fast the screen refreshes when you're watching content or going through like your apps and stuff like that. This is the first time it's on iPhone. iPhone been around, ProMotion been around for a while now, but you know Apple, they always take their time to do what they think is right, or when they think the technology is up to par to them. That's when they do it. It's a little bit on the heavy side. It's 8.46 ounces. That's about 240 grams. So it's like 0.20 grams heavier than the iPhone 12. So I'm definitely feeling the difference. Also, on the spec side, it's the processor A15 Bionic, and you got 6 cores, 6 gigs of RAM, so you will not have any issues when you're playing your video games and you're editing videos and stuff like that. The cameras on the front is the same, 12 megapixels, and the back camera, there are new sensors, so you get better lighting and the aperture and everything is better. They also got some new modes, one called cinema mode, that's just like portrait mode for picture, but it's the same thing for video. So blurs the background and you can change the focus on each point in the video. I also got one more new feature called macro shot. Yeah, so you can get as close to an item or a person or anything you want to record. It's like you're recording something small and you get a lot more details when you're recording it. I'll show you some footage when I do my full review. So this is just an overview. And the battery life, you get 2.5 more hours on your battery life. So you get longer and more battery and power out of your phone. And that's basically it. When I finish my full review, I'll make a longer video that shows you everything, the video quality and the photos and cinema mode, pro raw and macro mode and everything. But for now, that's it. Thank you for tuning in, guys, and remember to always say health is wealth, peace and love. I'm out.